It's all you. It's all you.
Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and for this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can watch live TV on your Fire Stick. Now first thing, we're gonna type in this, we're gonna download an app called Downloader, and I know it might look a little choppy. It's because I'm using a different kind of recording software for this, so it might look weird, but it still works, so just bear with it. Alright, so we're gonna download this orange one, Downloader. I already had it, so that's why it's the cloud, but you just go ahead and download it. Go ahead and fast forward. Alright, now once it's done, you can open it up. So just open it. This is gonna pop up, just click OK on it. Now right here, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this, but just type in this link I'm gonna have in the description. Alright, so once you're done, you just click go, and it should actually start downloading. So I'm gonna fast forward through this. Alright, now once you're here, you just go to the bottom, click on install, and then it's going to start downloading. So the app is called Mobdro, and it's basically an app that has live TV shows for like almost every channel. So I'm going to open it up, click agree, and it looks like there's an update. So I got to download the update, so just go down, click install. We got to do this again. Alright, now once it's done, we can open it up, and once it's open, this is what the app looks like. So you just click on channels, and basically now guys, you can watch any of these channels right here for like the whole channel live for free. And basically it's gonna look ugly on my software that I'm using right now, but just to show you ABC, it might take a few seconds, so it's gonna be frozen a few seconds till it loads up. And yeah, as you can see, this thing looks ugly through my software, but it won't look like that for yours, I promise. Let's try Disney just to show you that it does work. All these channels are working. It has Stars, HBO, but that's pretty much it for this video. Go ahead, subscribe, like, share with your friends, and tell me what you like to see, because I plan on doing a whole bunch more. Peace.
It's all you.